In this video, we picked the best instant cameras. I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. So, leave the research work up to us, save your time and energy and pick your favorite one from here. Number 5. Kodak Ematic. Powerful 10MP sensor with a wide-angle f/2 lens. Fast, easy and fun. Automatically prints high-quality vibrant 2x3 photos. Charming design comes in variety of fun, bold colors. Micro SD slot for additional memory. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Fujifilm Instax Wide 300. Automatic extending 95mm f1.4 lens with 2 focus zones. 4 size A 1.5V alkaline batteries. Picture size 62mm x 99mm. Light and dark control to help add high and low key effects. Works with Fujifilm Instax wide film only. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Leica Camera. Simple and fun to use while allowing visual creativity. Compact body with menu navigations and icons designed by Leica Camera. 3-zone manual focus system. 0.37x optical viewfinder with target. Accepts Instax Mini Instant Fill. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Fujifilm Instax Mini A. Takes 2 AA batteries. Picture size 62x 46mm and shutter speed 1/60th seconds, fixed. New macro lens adapter for close UPS, 35 cm to 50 cm. Automatic exposure measurement. Effective flash range, 0.6 m, 2.7 m. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Fujifilm Instax Mini 9. New selfie mirror, picture size, 2.4x 1.8 inches. New macro lens adapter for close UPS, 35 cm to 50 cm. Automatic exposure measurement. High key mode, take brighter pictures with a soft look. Electronic shutter 1/60th section shutter speed. Please check the description for details and best price.